All right, guys, look at all these trucks right here. So I bumped into all these trucks right here. Look at this. So it's actually a truck club, guys. Look at that. That's one of them. They're all Fords, guys. They're all Ford. All of them. Every single one of them is Ford. They're all Fords. I don't know you guys, which ones you guys like. And that. So we're gonna go one by one, guys. We're gonna go one by one. It's actually a car club, guys. I was actually talking to the owner of the first truck over there, which we'll get to it right now. But they are all Ford, all of them. This is a F-150 here. This is a F-100. That's a F-150 custom right here, guys. F-150 custom. And maybe some of you guys are gonna know what kind of a Ford this one is. But this is the oldest one, guys. This is the older one. Nice Fords, huh? He said that not everybody's here, so it's like a truck club, you know. Ford F-150 4x2. And then we have this one right here, guys. F-150 XLT Lariat, or however you pronounce that. Real nice truck, guys. Real nice trucks. There's another F-150. So the one that I was talking to is him, the owner of this truck right here. So what he said this one is, guys, this is a bully truck. He said that these are called bullies, F-150s, Ford bullies. That's what he said. I mean, I don't really know too much about trucks like that, but it seems like a small camper, guys, but it is a Ford. And there's more. There's more than, but he was telling me that not a lot of them showed up, but yeah, nice trucks, man. You guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Nice trucks, huh? All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, guys.